I want you to just download the Claude app.
Across Algoma, businesses are exploring how AI can help automate routine tasks, improve marketing efforts, analyze financial data, and support strategic decision making.
Even just projecting financial goals and those types of things is really interesting, or the marketing, how to make like a social media calendar, and how you can actually, instead of doing it manually, she's gone through different prompts for how to do that.
For some businesses, adoption comes with questions about privacy and data security in the healthcare sector.
You're always worried about confidentiality and those types of things, so it's really interesting to see how you can still integrate it and how to make sure that you don't have identifying information to still follow those laws and rules and regulations.
Experts say the technology is evolving quickly,
Start to think, is this a prompt I'm using over and over again?
moving from simple prompts to AI-powered assistants capable of supporting day-to-day business operations.
Where AI can really unlock a lot in a business in terms of building more capacity and productivity and efficiency is when you really implement it into workflows.
Organizations like the Sault Ste. Marie Innovation Center are helping local companies navigate the shift through hands-on training and practical implementation.
About task reduction and how we can ensure that businesses and individuals themselves are taking full advantage of the technology at their disposal.
We're looking at an inflection point where the speed at which these tools are changing and getting created is actually like a hockey stick. I really think that the sky's the limit.
Organizers say AI isn't about replacing people. It's about helping business owners make better decisions, save time, and stay competitive in an increasingly digital economy. Reporting from Sault Ste. Marie, I'm Ben Jonah for Rogers TV.